Okay guys, so the other project that we would discuss today is on Octify. So basically it's a next generation open source platform for decentralized finance tentacles, not oracles basically. So there's a huge difference between them. Probably I'll not discuss in this particular video. This is a new token that's going to release. It's already released. It's trading live on Uniswap. You can go and grab these tokens upfront, and then there are few other dApps which are associated to it and it should launch. And then there is something called Profit Squeezing Tentacles which would start on October 1st as per their roadmap, and you can go through their project overview here. So basically they have got good roadmap in the sense that they are starting on October 1st with this, and then they have which would take all the compound, earn, a curve, and then Uniswap related gains, and then they would use this for yield farming basically. uh, and then they would support these coins as well, which you can go and stake. Where you want to go and earn something, then you can go into earn.octi.5, where you can deposit these tokens which was shown above, and then you can start earning. This is as good as yield farming only, but they call it as aqua farming now. Okay. You can buy the token from here from buy.octify. You can go to this website octi.fi and then look into it. You would find all the details. You can this is their own dex, basically for to go and buy any DeFi related coins. Basically you can buy their coin currently now here, or you can buy it in Uniswap as well. Okay, so you can go and see the prices are of $1.66 now, and then this liquidity that has come up. So it is gaining traction now, so you can look into this coin. And then this is their website where you can buy the coin, earn by staking as well. If you see there, the staking platform, you might have seen a lot of these yield farming platforms. So this, they call it as aqua farming, as I said. So this is the dex which we already saw, where you can go and buy. You can use the Octify interest. You can deposit Octo and then earn Octo. Deposit USDC or Ethereum and then earn. And then similarly, you can have Curve Finance, Uniswap, and Earn.finance also coming soon. Okay, so basically if you want to select and then put down the amount of Octi you want to buy, I mean you've already bought, and then if you want to stake, the percentage returns per annum and the bonus per annum is being listed here. However, probably they should look into this to make it more uh, farming related. I don't know why it is exactly restricted to 15% per annum and 5%, but it should be more open, where yield farming can be done. I mean aqua farming can be done, so that people would be more interested in depositing their coins and then earning interest out of it. Okay, so the public sale is complete. You can start looking into this coin as well. One of the good projects I feel which would come, and legitimate projects. Yeah. So if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.